Mommy, why does animal has no lobot? The animal has only tail.
What?
And the person has only lobot, not tail.
Animals has lobot and tails. They both have. We don't have tails. When we were little, we have little short tails, but as we grow and grow, our tails disappear. But some animals like the dog, the cat, the tails remain longer. The monkey.
What?
Wow, I can believe it. The elephant is... Mommy, why does monkey has long tails? Elephant has big body, and why does elephant has...
It has tails too.
Why does elephant has short tail?
What?
Then the monkey.
Yeah.
The monkey has long tails because it will help monkey to climb the tree. It help them balance when they climb a tree.
Woo!
And the elephant has a big body because elephant is the largest mammal on land.
Mommy, why does elephant has many feet?
Many.
Person, why does...
Many.
Why
Gamay naman
does...
siyang feet. 4 naman yung feet.
Why does elephant has 4 feet? People has 2 feet only.
Saan man ipagtubaglit? 4. Ang 2 kay hands man nato.
Woo!
But the animals like elephant, they use this hands for walking.
Why does elephant has big nose? Then elephant can drink the water and flow the water away down in the ground.
I don't know. You know the answer?
Mommy, why does elephant drink water like this?
Wala ko kabalo. Kabalo ka? Sa answer?
Yeah, and
Ngano man? Ngano diha man siya magkuhan sa water sa iyang nose? Okay?
ang water na comes sa iyang nose.
Then,
Ang people, wala man long na nose kay.
okay.
Ang people kay short lang na nose.
Eh?
Yeah.
Asa man mo ang water nimo?
Sa mouth.
Sa mouth. And then after sa mouth, asa man mo ang water? Sa
Brain.
What?
brain. Kung mag-drink kag water, asa tayo ng water? Down to your
Throat.
and
And your tummy.
then after sa tongue,
And the lubot. Then you can resist the water.
you can resist the water.
Yeah.